How to convert PDF to Word. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can convert PDF to Word. So let's just get started with the video and convert a PDF to Word. So let's just get started. For that, all you need to do is head over to the PDF that you want to convert it into Word. For example, I'm going to convert this PDF. You can just go ahead and look out for the PDF that you want to convert. Once you have viewed the PDF, all you need to do is you can go ahead and close this one right here and search Word in the search bar of your desktop. Just go ahead and type in Word and then open it up onto your device. You can open it up. Once it is opened up, you need to head over to your blank document. You can just go ahead, or you can go to the open section as well. After that, go to the browse section from here and select up the PDF file that you want to convert into Word. After that, open it up. And when you do that, all you need to do is confirm this pop-up that will let you convert your Word document into your PDF into a Word. So just do that and you'll be finding your PDF being converted into Word. You can just go ahead and save it from the Word itself by going to File and Save As. So that is it. This is how you convert PDF to Word. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.